And you can see already the amount of rain rot that's already coming off with the powder.
Look at that. That's chunks flying off of him.